Hey folks, my name is Dimitri and this is a new arrival at Car City Inc. A beautiful 2012 Lexus IS250. This one is Fsport. Nice looking vehicle, luxury. 111,000 miles. As you can see, body is in great condition. Again, definitely has a nice look with nice spoilers. Nice rims and tires. Again, low miles. It's got clean Carfax and clean title. Beautiful car. Tinted windows. Came from South. No rust. Power windows, power locks, power seats. As you can see, it's a sport seats. Sunroof. Again, interior is in very good condition. There is a navigation, there is a heated cooled seats, backup camera, climate control, Bluetooth, traction control, the rear seats looks good as well. I mean, very hard to find those F-Sport. Fully loaded, nice looking sport vehicle in Car City Inc. Lexus, ready to go with a fresh oil change. It's got new front brakes as well. So if you guys looking for the sport vehicle, this is it. Come to Car City Inc. in Palatine. Check our website. Free copy of the Carfax report available at our website. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.